Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. See 5A exercise question number 1. A part is a into a minus 9 is equal to 0. You can see here that here are two terms and both are equal to 0, and we will equalize both separately with 0. Now a is equal to 0. Write first a is equal to 0. This a is also equal to 0, and then write comma, and a minus 9 is also equal to 0. This a minus 9 is also equal to 0. Now solve it further. This a has equal to 0 has become equal to 0, and this a should remain here, and minus 9 will be carried toward other side. It will become plus 9. So a is equal to 9 here. So our answer is 0 or 9. See next part, b into b plus 7 is equal to 0. Now you will write b is equal to 0, then comma, and b plus 7 is equal to 0. Now b has become equal to 0, but this b we will carry plus 7 to on the other side. It will become minus 7. Now 0 or minus 7 is our answer. Now see here, 5c into c plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you will write 5c is equal to 0 and c plus 1 is equal to 0. This is one term and this is second term. Now 5 is being multiplied here. It will be divided on the other side. You will divide 0 by 5, and here 1 is being added. It will be subtracted on the other side. It will become minus 1. Now 0 divided by 5, answer is 0, and c is equal to minus 1. You will write 0 from c or minus 1. That is our answer. See next part, 2d into d minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2d is equal to 0, and then d minus 6 is equal to 0. Now d is equal to 0 over 2, and here d is equal to minus 6 will become plus 6 on the other side, and d is equal to 0 here. 0 when divided by 2, answer is 0, and here d is equal to 6. You will write 0 or 6 is our answer. See here, minus f is equal to 0, and from here 3f minus 7 is equal to 0. Minus doesn't matter. We will not write along with 0 because 0 is neutral, and 3f is equal to minus 7 will become plus 7 here, and now 7 will be divided by 3 because it is being multiplied on this side. It will be divided on the other side. So divide it by 3, 7 over 3. Convert it into whole number. Divide this 7 by the 3. 3 to the 6. 1 here. You will write it as 2 whole, this 2 first, this 1 later here, and then 3. So these are our answer, 0 or 2 whole 1 over 3. These are our answers. Now you can see minus 1 over 2h, minus 1 over 2h, it will be equal to 0, and 2h plus 3, it will also be equal to 0. And you see that minus 1 over 2 is being multiplied on this side, it will be divided on the other side. So you will write it as 2 here and 1 below. It is division. 2 is being divided here, it will be multiplied on the other side, and 1 is being multiplied, it will be divided on the other side. So you will write it in the inverted form, and you will keep the minus here along h. And now you know that when 0 is multiplied by any number or divided, it makes 0, and this minus carried will not carried along 0 because 0 is neutral. So you will finish minus sign, and from here 2h will remain on the same side, and you will carry plus 3 on the other side, it will become minus 3, and now h will remain here, and you will carry this 2 is being multiplied, it will be divided on the other side. So divide it here, and now numerator is greater than denominator, so you will convert it into whole number by dividing it. 2 ones are 2, and you will write here h is equal to minus 1 whole 1 over 2. Now write the answer, that is 0 or minus 1 whole 1 by 2. See here question number 2. Its a part is k minus 4 one term and k minus 9 is another term. You will write them separately equal to 0. K minus 4 is equal to 0, and then k minus 9 is also equal to 0. So k is equal to 4, and for this k it is equal to 9. So you will write the answer as 4 or 9 is the answer. C B part, it also has two terms, m minus 3 is equal to 0, and you will write m plus 5 is equal to 0, and m is equal to 3, minus 3 will become plus 3 on the other side, and m is equal to plus 5 will become minus 5 on the other side. So answer is 3 or minus 5. C part, n plus 4, it will also be equal to 0, and n minus 11 is also equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 4, plus 4 will become minus 4 on the other side, and n minus 11 will become plus 11 on the other side. So minus 4 or 11 is our answer. Now see here, p plus 1, it will be equal to 0, and p plus 2, it will also be equal to 0. So write p is equal to minus 1 because plus 1 will become minus 1 on the other side of equal sign, and here plus 2 will become minus 2 on the other side of equal sign. So minus 1 or minus 2 is our answer. See here, 7q minus 6 is equal to 0, and then 4q minus 5 is equal to 0. And you see that 7q will remain on this side, and minus q will move on the other side, it will become plus q, plus 6, minus 6 will become plus 6, and 4q will remain here, and minus 5 will, when carried on the other side, it will become plus 5. Now you will keep alone q here, and 7 is multiplied here, it will be divided on the other side, so 6 over 7, and from here q will remain here, and 5 will be divided by 4 because 4 is being multiplied, and here numerator is greater than denominator, so you will change into whole number, and you know that for changing into whole number, numerator is divided by denominator. 4 ones are 4, and the answer is 1 whole 1 over 4. This one first and this one later. 1 whole 1 over 4, and now you will write the answer 6 over 7 or 1 whole 1 over 4. This is our answers. CF part, 3 or minus 5 is equal to 0. minus 5 equal to 0 and 2r plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 3r will remain here and 5 will become minus 5 will become plus 5 and 2r will remain here and plus 1 will become minus 1 on the other side. Now r will remain alone and 5 will be divided by this 3 and here 2 r will remain alone and minus 1 will be divided by 2 because 2 is being multiplied on the other side. Now numerator is greater than denominator, so divide this term. 5 will be divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 and after subtraction you will get 2. So its answer is r is equal to 1 first, 2 here and this 3 here, and from r side minus 1 over 2 will remain same. Now write the answer 1 whole 2 over 3 or minus 1 over 2. These are our answers. See here 5s plus 3 and you will write it 5s plus 3 is equal to 0. This is one term, and 2 minus s is equal to 0 another term. Now 5s will remain here and you will carry plus 3 toward other side, it will become minus 3, and here s will remain, it was 2 minus s, so minus s will remain on here and plus 2 will be carried toward other side, it will become minus 2. Minus and minus will be cancelled out, you can cancel out these, and s is equal to 2 here, but from here s will remain here and 5 is being multiplied, it will be divided on the other side, so 3 will be divided by 5. This is our answer, and you will write that minus 3 over 5 or 2 is our answer. See each part now. Here is minus 2t minus 5 one term, it will be equal to 0, and next term is 8t minus 5, it will also become equal to 0 separately. Now minus 2t will remain here and minus 5 will be carried on other side, it will become plus 5, and here 8t will remain here and minus 5 will become plus 5 on the other side. Now t will remain here and 5 will be divided by this, minus will be written here and divided by 2, and on this side you will leave t here and 5 will be divided by 8 is being multiplied, it will be divided on the other side. Now here numerator is greater than denominator, so divide 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, and t will be equal to minus 2 whole 1 over 2, and t is equal to 5 over 8. Now you will write the answer minus 2 whole 1 over 2 or 5 over 8 is our answer. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.